Hi guys, today we have our little puppy here to make pancakes with us. He has a unicorn suit on and he's going to be helping us. Say hello.
Say hi.
Say
hello. Say hi, everyone.
Hi everybody,
We're gonna make pancakes.
Yum, yum. Okay guys, let's start. How much do you put in now?
Go ahead and pour some in.
You're about to put some in.
Already
Oh,
poured.
that's plenty, I think. That's good.
Think about cooking it when you're done.
Okay,
Good.
that's good.
Yeah. Now we need to add some water. We got water.
And we got some food coloring. Levi, which color should we do?
Purple and orange.
Purple and orange. We're doing purple and orange. No, I want pink and orange. Mom, we're doing pink and orange. Pink and orange.
Here's the water.
Can I pour it in?
Pour a little bit in, and then you're gonna stir it. A little more. That's good. Now stir it.
You guys want to see how it looks like right now? There. What is that stuff called? What Nana makes? It looks like this?
Pepper or anything on it?
Oatmeal?
Yeah, oatmeal.
It looks like oatmeal.
Yeah.
Let's add a little bit more water.
Yep. It's kind of dry.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh, yeah. It's like a waterfall.
Slowly.
Why do you always do it fast then?
Remi's like, can I play? Maya, I want to make pancakes too.
Okay. What do you want to do? You want to help us with the food coloring? Yes or no?
Do you want me to help you, Maya?
Yeah. I need help with the food coloring.
Okay, I'll get it. I'm going to get the food coloring. I have the food coloring.
Okay, thank you. I need orange.
You're welcome. I have orange.
Okay. So we're gonna do these maybe after we mix it.
Do you want purple?
Okay.
Hi. This is... Look how cute. Good job, buddy.
And the next color.
Want to show everybody how it looks?
Yep, it's cute. What does it look like, guys? Oh, Mom, when do we put eggs?
We don't put eggs in these.
Yes. Well, we're making cake. Can we add the food coloring?
Well, you have to pick one color.
Two.
One color.
Two. I want two. Please, I want two. I want two. It exploded. I need a paper towel. Okay, we'll wipe in it. Okay. The disaster is clean. Please don't happen again. Another disaster.
Let's show everybody what you're doing.
Food coloring. 2.
3, 2, 1.
Boo.
Now stir it.
Nikki. Guys, you see something? Wow. Oh, it's gonna look a good color. Watch. It's gonna look good. See, it's starting to look cool pink. Getting more purple. It's so pink. Guys, we are gonna mix it. Mix it. It's gonna look a beautiful pancake. When you see this, you're gonna love it. Ooh, it looks orangey. This is looking beautiful. Mom, come! I put some orange in it, and look, it looks so beautiful. Right? Pink, and then some more purple.
Okay, let's move on over.
What?
Let's go over there so we can cook it.
Wait, it's not ready. Hi guys, we made a part 2. This is our next part 2. So, we had to stop because we didn't want to record this. So, the pancakes are right here. It looks like a good color, right guys? And then the thing's heating up right now.
I'm gonna pour it on.
Yep. Whoa, don't put a lot more. I won't eat the whole pancake.
Now we let it cook.
Okay. While it's cooking, we watch this video. It does coloring. Okay, we already poured it in. And you do some more. Because anybody else wants. Peanut butter jelly though. I was just doing something.
In that place.
I have to tell my dad. First we just doing anything. Oh, why is the puppy right here?
Well, once you take a shower and all that, you're not
Come on. The puppy. He's a big bird. You said that the God, I'm getting a heart. Get out the couch. Stop. Okay, ready? Bye guys, hope you watch my next video. Make sure to subscribe.